So hey guys, we're here at the Fractal Design with Computex 2013. We're going to be looking at two new cases they've just announced. And the first one is the Fractal Design Arc XL. It continues on with sort of the similar internal design and as well as external, just slightly oversized case here. Supports for XL ATX motherboard, so we have great water cooling support. The top, triple radiator. Plenty of fan configurations. If you do want to install a 240mm rad at the top, it is offset slightly towards the side panel, so you have a little bit more clearance there if you do have a north heatsink for your motherboard slightly higher. And an exhaust fan is fairly straightforward here. Coming to the hard drive cage, this one here has been repositioned because, as you can see, there is the push and pull water cooling configuration set up in this case. So in the default position, the hard drive cage will be placed here. There will be another removable, smaller hard drive cage on the top. Exactly what we've been seeing from Fractal Design. Great internal configurations that has support for water cooling. Both the top and the front has excellent airflow as well. And the side panel that will be installed here also will feature a tinted acrylic window that will show off your internals. Now, coming around to the back, the cable management here, as you can see, is absolutely amazing for a case. Full tower, of course, so we have lots of space for all your cables. One cool addition is they've finally added the SSD brackets, so no longer do you have to remove the motherboard to install these. Excellent brackets, remove them with screws, install your SSDs. As you can see, rubber grommets, fairly straightforward, plenty of cable tie notches, and overall lots of room for any of your cable needs. And so coming to the front, we have similar aluminum looking front panel, which is actually plastic, so minimizing on the cost. Dust filters on here on every intake. Over here and on the top is also a dust filter. Dual front intake fans. So overall, a very excellent full tower case from Fractal Design. Lots of space, lots of airflow and water cooling options. Lots of hardware options as well. Modular hard drive, which you can remove and accommodate for water cooling. And also the optical drive will support for optical drive. So the second case that they're releasing this year from Fractal Design is the Arc Mini R2. Now it takes on the same concept from the original Arc Mini, the Arc Midi. Lots of R2s and minis, very complicated. But this is one pretty cool case because it's a micro ATX and mini ITX capability. But check out how thick of a radiator you can fit both on the top and on the side, while still having so much space to put any of your water cooling components. 360mm support radiator for the top, a 240mm radiator on the front here for the front panel. Now that's quite impressive for a micro ATX and mini ITX case. As you can see, it can still support plenty of hardware inside, all your water cooling components, a monster GPU in there as well, and a bottom intake fan can be installed as well, so plenty of features here integrated into such a small package. So coming around to the back, again we see these SSD additions. It's an excellent choice from Fractal Design to put these on there because it's quite a hassle to have to remove the motherboard to install these. And this is one of the complaints that we had while reviewing the previous revisions of the case. Now one thing though, of course, as you can see, the CPU cutout is fairly small. This will definitely be an issue with this particular motherboard. Cable management, as you can see, has been very tidy for this computer, and working with Fractal Design cases, it's been pretty seamless. All their cable management, rubber grommets, plenty of cable tie notches, and the most important is plenty of room for all your cable mess. So this is it for Fractal Design. We have two new cases, the Arc XL and the Arc Mini R2.